Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Insect Lab. In this video, we are discussing question number 6B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp, which is 9009368238, and you can call or message anytime. For this, you have to just message on our number. And now, question number 6B is visit any 10 families in your locality and ask them about positive and negative impact of television on culture. Based on the interview and discussions with family members, write a report. So you have to just report on this. So you have go to the 10 families and go for the positive and the negative impact on television and so on. So we have already prepared answers. You need no need to go anywhere. So we have prepared accordingly. If you need answers, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching, and we will meet you soon in the next video.